Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Itsa from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with warm grey for his shirt. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As with the last couple of minis, the skin gets a base coat with Satyr brown. For the loincloth, I went with a base coat of Sanguine Scarlet. Getting the base and the bandanas done, I grabbed Plague Brown. Next up, the leather parts get done with burnt umber as the base coat. Finishing off the base coats, I grabbed Smoke Black for his hair and the wood on the rifle. Moving on to the highlights, I start off with silver grey over the raised and flat areas of his shirt. Adding a highlight to the loincloth, I went over the edges of the folds with Hellspawn red. As with the last few minis, the highlight for the skin is done with sunny skin tone. Over the tops of the muscles, just leaving that darker tone between the muscles. The highlight for the leather parts gets done with Wasteland brown. Finishing off the highlights, I used sand yellow for the bandanas, mostly just to add some variation to them. Getting all the metal parts done now, I went over them with a once over of plate armour. For the wash, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything except the shirt. Finishing off, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Itsa. I like how the shirt came out. I think adding the wash would have ruined it, so this was probably the best choice. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.